Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades from today. First off, a note on the SPY. Today, the SPY just at the open put in a high here at 314.38. From 2 days ago, it put in a high at 314.39. I saw this as a double top, so I had a short bias today. My first trade was on KTOS. KTOS I saw setting up here at 8:30, putting in a level at 1675. Again here at 9:30, touching a level at 1675 and breaking through here at the 9:45 a.m. candle. It pulled back once it touched 1675. I took an entry at 1676 and had a stop here at 1686. After entry, it sold off, came within 2 cents of my initial profit target. It broke down to 1658. My first target was 1656. Reverse, stopped me out, split cover up here, broke back down, consolidated here around this point of control on the 15-minute. And then if we'll see here at the 10:15 candle, it starts to put in another level at 1669, again here at 10:30. And it breaks through at 10:45 and actually makes the move. Next trade was VTR. VTR I saw setting up on the 60-minute. Bring this up a little bigger. Here at 7 a.m., putting in a level here at 38. Again here at the 8 a.m. candle, putting in a level at 38. And then here again at 10 a.m. putting in this level here at 38. So I took an entry at 38, and for definition, let's go to a smaller chart here. So when I take the entry here, let's go to the 15-minute. So I take the entry, get a split fill here. I get in actually at 37, like 97, 98. So I got in right around 38. It was breaking down. It broke down pretty quick. So I just called it at 37 with the stop at 38.07. And we came down and I got a fill here at 37.77 at my 2-to-1. And it quickly reversed. I got stopped out at the break even. And then we can see it shakes people out up here, pulls back to this 9 EMA, and then just really starts to break down here. And my last trade is on KMX. KMX I saw setting up on the 15-minute. KMX is a bit different. It's a higher price stock, as in anything above like $80, $85, and especially with a big ATR, or it has a larger ATR, but this has a pretty big price spread for today, and you can see the spread between the bid and the ask can be pretty large. These don't typically set up quite as neat as the stocks that have a tighter spread and maybe don't move as much. So I had to watch this one a little different. But I noticed that it was putting in a level here at 93.08 here at this 11 a.m. candle. Again here at this 11:45 candle where it actually broke through. But I really like the way this was setting up around this 15-minute point of control. And then here we have a high of 93.9999 and here a high of 94. So I like this as a double top. And then we can come over here. And now you can see the triangle that was forming that got me really interested in this trade. So I took an entry at 93.07 when it just broke through, and I had a stop. I wanted to get in at 93.08, but it actually broke through, and I had a stop up here at 93.38. So I wanted a 20-cent stop, wound up getting a 21, but it worked out well enough. And we'll back up here, and then I started taking profits down here around about 55, again 45, 35, around about 20 or so, again here, and then you can see it starts breaking down. And there's this point of control here on the 15 where I took my final partial out right here. It wicked down a little lower. You can see it's consolidating. It started consolidating here, putting in another kind of pseudo level down here. Actually broke down over $1 more. And you can see this stopping volume or climactic volume that was happening in this candle that I was in. You can see it again here, and the buyers really come back in and reverse this. But those are my trades for today. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.